A closed door and a reservation. I have a reservation for tonight, but the restaurant looks closed.
Good evening. May I see your reservation, please?
Of course. It says 7:30, table for one.
That is strange. Tonight we are not using the front room.
Oh no, is my reservation wrong?
No, I think you are in the right place. Please wait one moment.
Are you taking me to another restaurant?
Not exactly. We have a surprise dining room in the back.
A surprise dining room? That was not on the website.
It is new. Only a few guests get this invitation.
I came for a quiet dinner, not an adventure.
I promise it will be safe, and I think you will enjoy it.
The menu with no prices. This room is beautiful, but the menu has no prices.
Tonight, the meal is a fixed experience.
That sounds expensive.
Do not worry. Your reservation includes a special discount.
Why me? I only booked online this morning.
Your name was chosen for our first test night.
Before we start, I need to tell you something.
Of course. What is it?
I cannot eat mushrooms. They make me sick.
Thank you for telling me. I will tell the chef now.
That was fast. Is this the first course?
Yes. It is called Garden After Rain.
That is a very poetic name for food.
Here, food is also a little story.
A problem in the kitchen.
Good evening, Emma. I am Lena, the chef.
Nice to meet you. Is something wrong?
I need to be honest. The first dish has mushroom oil.
I told Marco I cannot eat mushrooms.
He told me, the mistake is mine, and I am sorry.
Thank you for telling me before I ate it.
I can make a new dish with lemon, herbs, and fresh cheese.
That sounds much safer.
It will take 10 minutes. I will make it myself.
I appreciate that. I was starting to feel nervous.
You should feel safe in my restaurant.
Then I will stay and try your new idea. Lights out, candles on. Did the power just go out?
Yes, I am sorry. I am Daniel, the manager.
This dinner is becoming very unexpected.
I understand. The kitchen is safe, and the emergency lights are working.
Will I still get the new dish?
Yes. Chef Lena is finishing it now. May I bring more candles to your table?
That would help. It feels less strange with light.
We can call it a candlelight experience.
You are good at solving a problem.
Tonight, we are learning a lot.
So am I, especially about surprise restaurants. A dessert worth the trouble.
Here is your new dish, with no mushrooms at all.
It looks wonderful. I am glad I stayed.
I am glad you stayed too. I was worried.
The evening started badly, but it is getting better.
After this, we have one more surprise.
Should I be afraid?
No. It is chocolate cake with berries on the house.
Now, that is the kind of surprise I like.
Would you give us honest feedback after dinner?
Yes, I will say the service was kind, even during problems.
And the experience.
Unexpected, but unforgettable. I may even come back.